Craving your favorite Chick-fil-A without the wait? Let's unlock the secret to a lightning-fast drive-thru experience with their amazing app. First things first, download the Chick-fil-A app if you haven't already. Open it up, and you'll land on this homepage. Look for the Order button, usually prominent at the bottom or top. Tap it to dive into the deliciousness. Now, let's build your perfect meal. Browse through the categories from breakfast delights to hearty entrees and tempting sides and tap on what you're craving. See something you like? Tap the plus icon to add it to your cart. Feeling good about your selections? You can tap the cart icon, usually in the top right, to review your order. Here, you can adjust quantities, remove items, or even add special instructions like no pickles. If you scroll down, ready to pay, tap the checkout button. The app makes payment a breeze. You can add a credit or debit card, link your PayPal, or even use Apple Pay or Google Pay for ultimate convenience. Once your payment method is saved, simply select it. Now for the magic trick. Before you head to Chick-fil-A, make sure you've tapped the Drive-Thru button within your order. This is crucial. It tells the restaurant you're on your way and ready to pick up. When you pull up to the Drive-Thru, simply tell the team member you have a mobile order. They'll ask for your name or order number, then present your phone with the active order screen. That's it. Your order will be prepared fresh and handed to you promptly. You can even track your order's progress within the app and confirm it's been picked up. Enjoy your fast, delicious Chick-fil-A meal on the go.